Hello students, welcome to online lecture session of subject DWPD. Today we are continue our unit 3 working with PHP arrays and functions, and the topic name is various string functions in PHP. Objective: in this video lecture, we are covering various string manipulation operations like CHR, ORD, string to lower, string to upper, string len, string reverse, trim, ltrim, rtrim, etc. with syntax and example. Now start our session with string functions. First function is CHR. This function accepts ASCII value as an argument and returns a character code. Syntax of this CHR function is CHR in bracket, it takes ASCII value. Example, when we use echo statement with CHR function, and here in bracket I write any ASCII value. So here I write 97, which is ASCII value of small a. For example, if here I write 65, then my output is capital A. Next function is ORD. This function accepts string as an argument and returns the ASCII value of the first character of a string. This the syntax of ORD function is ORD in bracket string. Example, suppose I write one string ABC within ORD function and print using echo statement. Then it returns the ASCII value of first character, which is a capital A. So my output is 65. And in second string is small a. So this function, ORD function, returns the ASCII value of small a, means 97. Next function is string to lower, str to lower. Same way, this function accepts a string as an argument and convert all the characters of the string into lowercase letters. Syntax is str to lower in bracket string. So here I write one example. String to lower in bracket VPMP is written in capital letters. So my output is VPMP in small letters. Means this function convert each and every characters of a string into lowercase letter in small letters. Next is str to upper. This function accepts a string as an argument and convert all characters of the string into uppercase letters. Same way, the syntax is similar to string to lower. So here I write syntax for string to uppercase, str to upper in bracket string, and example is same example. Here I write string to upper in bracket in double inverted comma. VPMP is written in smaller case, lowercase letter. So this function convert all the characters of the string into uppercase. So my output is VPMP in uppercase letter. Next function is strlen, string length. Same to other functions. This function accepts a string as an argument and returns number of characters of a string, means the length of the string. Syntax is strlen in bracket string. Example, strlen, and then in bracket I write one string which is the VPMP. So the output of this statement is 4. Means number of characters in the string is 4. Next is ltrim function. trim means cut. This function accepts a string as an argument and removes white space from the left side of the string. For example, if I write one string after giving some white space, then ltrim function trim the space, left side space of the string. Syntax is ltrim in bracket string. So here I write example like this: echo ltrim, then give some white space and then vpmp. So ltrim function cut all the space of the left side of the string. So whenever this output is print on the screen, then directly prints at the left hand side of my browser. Means that this white space is not considered and my output is vpmp without any white space. Now next is rtrim. R means right hand side. Similar to ltrim function, this function accepts a string and remove white space from the right side of the string. Syntax is rtrim in bracket string. Example, here I write same example, echo rtrim function, then vpmp and then give some space, some white space, and then string is completed. And in next statement, again second echo statement is used with polytechnic. So the output of this two echo statement is vpmp polytechnic. Means this white space is trimmed, means removed from the string, and this polytechnic is written after, just after this p. So my output is vpmp polytechnic. And here I give one space before this polytechnic, means before one space before this p. So my output is vpmp, then one space, then polytechnic. This all white spaces removed using the rtrim function. Now next function is trim. This function accepts a string as an argument and remove white space from the both side, left and right side of the string. So similar to other function, it takes one string as an argument and trim all the space from the string. So here I write example like this: echo trim vpmp. So this trim function remove white space after p. Next, in next line, I write echo trim space polytechnic. Means space is before the means the left side of the polytechnic. So this trim function removes all the white space, left white space from the string, and my output is vpmp polytechnic without any space. Now next function is substring. Means it accepts a string as an argument and returns a specific part, some part from the string. It takes three arguments. First is my string, then comma, then starting point of the string, means from where user want to print the string, starting point of the string. And third is length. Length is optional argument, so it is written in a square bracket in my syntax. If a starting point is 0, means this function reads from the first character of the string. If it is a positive number, if the start value is positive, then starting from specified position from the beginning of the string, means start from the left hand side. And if it is a negative number, then starting from specified position from ending of the string, means read from the right hand side. And read a specific characters, means the length of characters from the string. For example, suppose I write one echo statement using substring, then my string is VPMP Polytechnic. Starting point is 2 and length is 6. Means it V is position at 0 index, P1, M is 2, 3 and so on. Okay. Now starting point is 2. So start from the M and then length is 6. Means total 6 characters is printed from the starting point. Means start from the second index means M, P, then space means 3 character, P4, O5 and L is 6. So my output will be MP space POM. Next echo statement is same string VPMP Polytechnic, and here I write only just starting point. There is a no length. So start from the second character and print whole string. And in third echo statement, I write with PMP Polytechnic then -6 means negative starting point. So my starting point is from the right hand side. Okay. So I write from the right hand side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Okay, means start from small e. And then number of characters is 2. So I print just 2 characters means my output is EC. Okay. So here if the starting point is from the positive, then start from the left hand side. Starting point of the string. And if the start is negative, then read from the right hand side. Means start from the ending of the string and just read number of characters in the length field. And if length field is empty, then read all the characters. Next function is strcmp means comparison. This function compares two strings. So it accepts two strings as an argument and compares that strings. And it performs case sensitive comparison means consider lower and upper case. If two strings are equal, then it returns 0. If string 1 is greater than string 2 in comparison according to ASCII value, then it is returns positive number. And if string 1 is less than string 2 in ASCII value, then it returns negative number. The syntax is strcmp string 1 comma string 2. Now in my example, I use string comparison function in if statement like this. If, then I write the condition string compare. My first string is VPMP but in uppercase letter. Then comma and second string is also VPMP but in a lowercase letter. Okay, so this function compare these two string according to case sensitive comparison and then returns output according to that. So here my both strings are different according to upper and lower case. So the output this string compare function returns false value. Means comparison is comparison gives the output strings are different. Okay, so here I write echo statement, both the strings are different. Next function is string position. This function accepts two strings as an argument and returns the position of the first occurrence of a search string, second string inside another string. It also performs case sensitive search. Means this function is used as a searching purpose. For example, here I write one example. It prints echo statement, then function string position. My first string, my original string is VPMP Polytechnic, and I want to search Polytech. This second string is search in the first string. If it match with my first string, then it gives the position of the first character. So it start from Polytechnic, means start from V, then P, M, P, then P. Okay, P is P match, then PO, Polytechnic is find. Okay, then it returns the first occurrence, means in which position the P is start. So it gives the output 6. Okay, means V is placed at first, then second, third, fourth, space fifth, and this space 6. Means it start from the 6th position. Means Polytech is search at the 6th position. Now next function is str underscore replace. Means it accept a string as an argument and replace specified characters of the string with another string. It returns integer value, means indicates number of replacement occurs in the specified string, and it also perform case sensitive replacement. The syntax is str underscore replace function in bracket first write search character, means find character, then comma, then this find character is replaced with replace character, then comma, string, and then occurrence. Example, here I write echo statement using string underscore replace. My search string is, first is search string, then replace, and then my original string. Here my original string is good morning. I search good from the original string, from the string, means good morning string. So I find good in this place. Okay, this place is replaced with replaced string, means my replaced string, means second argument is very good, means good is replaced with very good, and my output is very good morning. Now next function is string reverse. This function accepts a string as an argument and reverse that string. The syntax is string reverse rev in bracket string. Here I write example like echo strrev in bracket hello. So this function returns the reverse of a given string. So it is a reverse of hello is OLLEH. Thank you.